Hi guys, this is the second day of rain here in the Philippines, and I show you how flooded this area. This is my house. This is my house, my son's bike, and this is bathroom. And you see, just like a banka. Yeah. See? Over there. My pump. I show you more here. Dyan. Mababa pa nga yan. My doorstep.
Kanin. Yan, sinasabi ko. Hindi walang pinakain eh. Yan, puro kanin.